Hi, my name is Lindsay Mersman. There are several things that separate EAG's IT outsourcing from other IT service providers. We have comprehensive knowledge across business applications and multifaceted expertise, meaning you no longer need to hire separate teams to address different areas of IT. We introduce technologies and services to our clients and perform IT assessments with the target of optimizing systems, integrations, and data flow, with the end goal of improving business analytics and your decision-making abilities. Unlike most IT service providers, EAG aims to optimize your budget, starting with reviewing your existing IT expenses, contracts, and in-flight projects. We provide accurate budget forecasts and make recommendations to optimize your overall IT spend. We provide transparency through quarterly reviews where we walk through improvements, KPIs, escalations, cyber threat mitigation, and more. Contact us to learn more.